Please like and subscribe in 2026 to help us buy a goat for a family in need. Thanks, and enjoy the video. Hi, this is Scott with Learn to Stop Hunger, and today we're going to look at how to make a looping audio clip from a longer audio clip. And we're going to be using a program called Audacity. I'm going to go ahead and put a link in the show notes so you can see that, where to download it. I have opened up Audacity here, and I'm going to go ahead and open up a file that I have, which is it's a sound effect of a car. So we're going to go ahead and play it so you can hear what it sounds like. And what we want to hear is we want to come up with a sound that can be repeated in a loop as a steady ongoing sound of an engine. I used this when I was building a recent game that I made called Ramum. And so I'll show you how I did that. First off, you go ahead and you're going to select part of the sound here, and you can press this play button preview what it sounds like, and you can go to effect and do repeat, and we're just going to hit preview here so you can kind of hear what that sounds like. It's not too bad. Let's see what it sounds like if we go right in this area. So we're going to go back again to repeat to preview it. And notice I put in a count of 20 here. I can't remember what the default is, but 20 seemed pretty good for the preview. Don't really care for that. We'll listen to this here. Let's see how that sounds repeated. Go back to repeat and hit preview. I'll try this towards the end just to test that out and see if that sounds any better. I think I like it on the front end better. Let's see. I'll try this one more time. Repeat. Oh, actually did not mean to do that. So we're going to do effect, repeat, and do I think I'm good with that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to edit and copy, and then I'm going to do file, new, and that opens up a new window of Audacity. I'm going to do edit, paste, and it's going to paste for me just that section that I copied. Okay, so now I'm going to do my effect and repeat. We'll do 20. So now we have that ongoing steady engine sound that we can use, and I was using it within Monogame, and I could tell it to go ahead and just loop that sound for as long as desired. Well, that's it. That's all there was to it, to creating a steady ongoing engine sound for our recent demo game Ramum. And hopefully that's helpful to you, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.